Okay, Caps Ninjas, this is Sensei Lance here today. Today we are going to be working on a new technique. We're going to be working on the palm strike. The palm strike. Now, the palm strike is a great technique because one, it covers a lot of ground on your target, and two, we're going to be striking with a portion of our hand that can take a lot of abuse. What we're going to be doing, like I said, we're going to be hitting with the palm, okay? This portion of our hand right here, all right? And what I'm going to do is I am going to bend my hand back just like that. And I am going to tighten my fingers up and tuck this thumb right over here to the side. It's going to go to the side. That way it's not in the way. If I put it in here, I could hit something with my thumb and really do some damage to my thumb. And I don't want to do that. So from here, I'm going to simply bend my hand, tighten my fingers, and make sure my thumb is over to the side. And like I said, we are going to be striking with this portion right here. That one right there. And one of the great things about the palm strike is it can take a lot of abuse. I can hit things with my palm pretty hard. Look, and it doesn't hurt my hand. Even this brick wall right here, I can bash. I can hit it a couple times. It might sting a little bit, but it doesn't do any damage to my hand. Okay? Now, when I throw a palm strike, it's just like our right cross that we covered in another video. Okay? From here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my palm strike. From here, I'll be in my defensive posture. I usually throw it from my rear hand. So from here, I'm going to push off my back foot, and I'm going to take this portion of my hand, and I'm going to drive it usually, bang, right into the nose. The nose is a great way. If they're facing you, you can come here, boom, and you can hit them right in the nose. And if you've ever been hit in the nose before, you know that when you get hit in the nose, it gets smashed in and it might bleed a little bit. But what happens is your eyes start to tear up. Your eyes get watery and it's really hard to see. So it's a great distraction to hit with and make my getaway. So from here, if the bad guy's here, I'm going to take it. I'm going to try to aim, boom, right for the tip of the nose. Right for the tip, here. So from here, I push off my back foot. Make sure my fingers are tight. My thumb is right here to the side to where it's out of the way. From here, make sure this is my striking surface. And from here, I push off my back foot, getting maximum power here. Boom! And I hit. Now, once I hit, what's the next part? A lot of you know, and dash. We're trying to get out of here. So from here, make sure, after you practice your palm strike a few times, boom, boom, you get that technique down and you hit, bang. Make sure you work on hitting, bang, and then pivot and go the other direction. Okay? Palm strike, pivot, run. Okay, so from here, it's bang. I hit, pivot, and run as quick as I can. Especially while that head's flying back and those tears are starting to form in their eyes and they can't see as well. Okay? So that's our palm strike. Have fun practicing that one at home.